Yes! That's hot air coming out of the vents. Hello there. I am replacing my ventilator engine, or the blower motor, and also the resistor that's behind it. So I'll show you where it is located. This is the car. And here under the dashboard, there you can see the ventilator motor. We have to pull out that plug with a red and a black wire right there. Oh, it's already loose. It was placed there. Just pull it out and then you can twist here clockwise and then it comes loose. And then just pull it through the hole here. So the blower motor is out of the compartment. Now we can look inside that hole, and there you can see the resistor. There. We have to get that out. Twist, pull it out, pull back the lip, and then remove the plug. You can see the plug hanging right there.
As you can see, in my case the plug has melted, so I had to replace that. Maybe in your case it is not necessary, you can just plug in the new resistor. So if it is necessary to also replace the plug, as in my case since it was molten, well then you have to get to the passenger side. Here you see the recirculation button, push that button, and then on the passenger side, and you have to turn the engine on. And if you push that recirculation button, and by the way, it is not necessary to remove this center console, as you see here. I did that because I had to remove a parrot kit. Then you push the recirculation button and you see that a certain vent will open. Here it's closing. Push again and it will open. And then you can see the plug from the other side, and from this side it's much easier to solder new wires.
So, it's a magnetic light, very handy. Here is the new resistor, and you can see that I connected it with these soldering thingies. What's it called? Tubes, soldering tubes. And now the old wires are connected to the new wires, and this new resistor is connected to also a new plug right there. The order of the wires with the attachment clip facing away from you is as follows:
blue, white, yellow, red, black.
We have a working heater. Blower motor pager. There's the light. There's the light. Beautiful.
I hope this helps. I wish you a good repair.